Hey, how's it going? My name's Tiffany. Some of you may know me as iHasCupquake from the internet. I'm a content producer on YouTube and Instagram and have been producing content for over 8 years. It ranges from gaming to art to lifestyle and travel. So I've been asked to try out Premiere Rush, and I thought what better way to try it out on the go. So let's go. For one, I love that you can record and edit your videos on your phone. Sometimes it's hard to get to a PC to edit your videos, so I absolutely love the fact that you can edit from your phone, but if you wanted to, your project is actually stored on the cloud. So you can go back and forth between PC and mobile and work on the same project. Not only is the interface easy to use, but you can also use branding assets from your library and bring them onto Rush, so you can really customize titles and text. You can also use different transitions and presets that are already on Rush, creating a beautiful and seamless edit. And once you're done with your project, you can export your project on mobile and upload it directly to YouTube or Instagram, creating a beautiful edit for everyone to see while you're out living your best life. So now that I shared some of my favorite features of Adobe Rush with you all, I have a little challenge for you. Create a video using only your phone, using the titles and transitions, and see how easy it is to create beautiful content while you're on the go. Make sure to respond in the comment section of this video with the hashtag #MadeWithRush so I can see all of your submissions. Have fun!